Work experience is for students who want to learn whether or not a healthcare profession is for them. So it gives them really good insight on what it is to be, for example, a doctor or a pharmacist or a physiotherapist.
Typically, it's for students who are 16 years or above. We try and recruit students who either reside or go to school within the Dudley Borough. We have widened the kind of criteria over the last couple of years to give other students opportunities.
What we plan and deliver was to give you guys as much information as possible, things that you might not have thought about, that you might not be able to find online so easily.
Just have really informal chat all about our experiences of applying to medical school, going through medical school and working as a doctor.
And just being able to ask about things like what's it actually really like to do a night shift and what's it like to work on the weekends and the other things that you might be a little bit more worried about in the job.
Some activities we did this year were looking and examining inside of people's ears, teaching them how to hand tie sutures like a surgeon, and also using ultrasound machine to a type of imaging machine to look at arteries and veins.
They really seem to get a good understanding of what it's like to actually be in a hospital and work in a hospital, which is very different from what you see on TV. So understanding the realities of being in this environment. And I think they've all come away with a better understanding of their own skill set as well. And they just seem more confident, happy to participate, happy to answer questions by the time we're running sessions at the end of the week.
I was quite unsure as to what to expect, to be honest. But then I was absolutely delighted after coming onto the placement to be able to go into theatre and actually see 3 different operations at different stages.
We've did a lot over the past week, so I really enjoyed it. For example, suturing and then taking bloods as well.
They very much prepared us in every step through work experience. They were always helping us and advising us, even if we were struggling, being in such an environment. You learn a lot, and even if you don't think about medicine, learning the basics like CPR. CPR is a great skill to learn.
Working collaboratively as a team as well is really vital, just to put patient care at the forefront of everything that they do.
My expectations were very much met and exceeded as well.
To apply for the work experience, it's advertised on our website, which is rguc.co.uk. There's a section on there called Work Experience and all the details on how to apply and when to apply.
This week really gave me an insight and really sealed the deal for me, and I just know that medicine is really what I want to do.
All of the experience that we've had, it's just made me want to do it even more now.
Having this opportunity has been an amazing experience to definitely go down the route of medicine for me now. And I'm really thankful for that as well.